Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to get started with the Untold Engine. I'm going to show you how to install the game engine in your system. The first thing that you want to do is head to our GitHub repo page simply by going to www.untoldengine.com, and I'm also going to provide a link in the description below. So once you are in our repo page, what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the table of content section and then click on getting started. In this section, there is going to be a link called running the Untold Engine. And once you're here, you are going to basically get all of the commands that you need to clone the Untold Engine in your system. So the first thing that you need to do is obviously run git clone. And I'm going to do a live demonstration so you have a good idea of how to do all of this. So I'm going to open up my terminal and I'm in my downloads directory. Now I want to create a new folder. You do not have to do this, but for this tutorial I'm going to do this, and I want to do make there, and I'm going to do a testing the engine folder. Then I'm going to cd into that folder. All right, so let's go back to the GitHub page. I'm going to copy the command to clone the engine, and I'm going to click enter, and I'm just going to wait until everything finish cloning. The next step that you need to do is cd into the Untold Engine, and after that you are going to open up the package, the Swift package. So let's cd into the Untold Engine, and then we're going to open package.swift. What this will do is open up Xcode. All right, so once Xcode has opened up, the first thing that you want to do is you want to change the scheme. So you want to select demo game, and then you want to select my Mac. All right, so the demo game is basically a target which has a particular file, the Swift file. This file basically has a little example of a player dribbling the ball that I wrote, so that you can get a really good idea of how the API works. So you know, if you want to get acquainted with the API, this is the perfect place to start. Once you have selected the proper scheme, you just press play or run in Xcode, and this will build the engine, and very soon you're going to see a stadium and a player being rendered on the screen. All right, so when the engine starts, it's going to be in edit mode. In edit mode, you can move the camera by simply typing the WASD keys. Right now, to go from edit mode to game mode, you have to press the P key. And once you press the P key, all of the systems of the engine will kick in, such as the animation, physics, etc. So I'm going to press the P key, and you're going to see an animation. Now, for this demo, if you press WASD key, the player will start to dribble, just like that. And that is it, guys. Again, if you have any issues with the installation of the engine, feel free to go to our repo page and submit an issue. That way I'm aware of any issues that you may be encountering, and I can help you get the engine up and running. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.